Hi, today's topic is microcontroller. The IC used for a microcontroller is 8051. The main reason for the development of microcontroller is to overcome the drawback of the microprocessor. Even though microprocessors are powerful devices, they require external chips like RAM, ROM, input output ports, and other components in order to design a complete working system. This made it economically difficult to handle to develop computerized consumer appliances on a large scale as the system cost is very high. Microcontrollers are the devices that actually fit the profile. Computer on a chip, as it consists of a main processing unit or processor along with some other components that are necessary to make it complete computer. The components that are present on a typical microcontroller IC are CPU, memory, input or output ports, and timers. If you see the block diagram of microcontroller, it includes interrupt controls, 4K flash, then two 12 KB RAM, CPU, oscillator, bus control, IO ports, bus, again you have bus control for that, address pin, timers. So microcontrollers are basically used in embedded systems. Microcontrollers can be classified based on bus width, memory structure, and instruction set. Bus width indicates the size of the data bus. Microcontrollers can be classified as 8-bit, 16-bit, or 32-bit based on the bus width. Higher bus widths often result in better performance. Microcontrollers can be divided into two types based on their memory structures: embedded memory and external memory. In case of embedded memory, microcontrollers are required. Data and program memory is embedded into the IC. Thank you.